Hi there! Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. We have here the last Tectonic puzzle in this additional with 3 stars. A 3 stars Tectonic, yes. And this will be a number 1631. Alright, so let's get started. And where's the single box? Single box, I see here the single box. So this is the single box, always the one. We have a dual box here, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them, 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then let me see, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Complicated, yeah, complicated. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 1. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore, because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 2 boxes left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left in this triple box. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So this box cannot be a 3 and cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 1 and a 3. I think this box should be also 1 and a 3. Because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, 1 or 3. This box cannot be a 1 anymore because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, 2 numbers left, 2 digits left. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or 4. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left for 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 should be there. And 1 box left should be the 1. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 should be here. And this box should be a 3. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. The 4, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, it should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 4. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 4. 2 and a 4 are left in this. Oh, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2. No. The 5 and the 1 are left in this area. 5 and the 1. Let me mark them. 5 and the 1. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 digit box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, 1 box left for the 3 should be there, 2 and the 4 are left, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow! Faster than the previous Tectonic with 1 star. So, is it really a 3 star? You can ask to yourself. Well, I'm faster than the previous one. Surprising. Yes, it's surprising. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, we have one big Sudoku left, a quintuplet, I think. No, yes. Alright, see you on Monday. Bye bye.